Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm like super excited because I want to review share my review on the April 2016 Beauty Wish box. And this is the April 2016 Beauty Wish box, and the Beauty Wish box of April has a double enjoy because I received my Be My Beauty Blogger of the Month March award. I received the gift hamper of that as well, along with my Beauty Wish box. So basically I have two things to review, like to share with you guys, and I'm like super excited that I received it. I'm sorry, the dog, he saw somebody I guess, so he's fine. Okay, let's leave that. So you know, the Beauty Wish box is the Beauty Monthly subscription from the Nature's Company, and the Nature's Company does not need an introduction because it itself is the Nature's Company, right? And the Nature's Company, you know, it's all herbal products. They have 100% vegan, 100% natural, paraben free, acids free, you name it. It's the company, that the brand that you can depend on. So let's get started with the products of the this month's April 2016's Beauty Wish box. The April Beauty Wish box, the theme was Sweet Summer 2016. So yeah, let's get started with the products. The first full size product I received is this red and green tea sunscreen lotion. This is the lotion. So this is the full size product of this month. It's a 125 ml product worth rupees 4.5. So honestly, I could not get the chance to try it out because I did not go out much since I received it. So I don't know how good it will be, but the texture is smooth. It feels nice on the skin. It feels light, so I think it's gonna be good. So plus the ingredients of this item is really good for skin to avoid, you know, sunburns and tanning. So I'm really looking forward to try this out. This is the only product I could not try out from this month's Beauty Wish box. Moving on to the next item that I received, the sample products. The first product is the Passion Fruit Body Lotion. This is a sample of 30 ml. The full size is 250 ml worth rupees 625. They have launched this body lotion this month, like very recently, the Passion Fruit and the Sandalwood body lotion. This is their new range. So I just love the fragrance of this. This is just amazing, I'm telling you guys. And it feels so light on the skin and moisturizes and hydrates the skin so well. So yeah, that's the second item and the first sample product. Okay guys, I'll be giving a detailed review of all these products on my blog, so don't forget to visit my blog. I'll mention the link in the description box down below. So moving on to the next sample that I received is the Sunflower Body Wash. This is also a 30 ml sample. This is also good, you know, it has this amazing fragrance of sunflower and it's very hydrating. It does not strip the moisture off the skin. The full size is 250 ml worth rupees 5.5. So yeah, I really love this one as well. It's like a very good thing for the summer. Okay, I totally forgot to mention the ranges. Okay, this is from the range Star Eyes. This is from the range Fluorescence. This is from the range again Star Eyes. You know, Nature's Company has got like 5 ranges. They are of the elements of earth, that is the Aqua Spark, Atmosphere, Star Eyes, Fluorescence and Earthborn. So yeah, like in association or in regards with the elements of nature. Okay, the next sample that I received is this Lemoncello face wash. It's basically a lemon face wash. It's from the range Star Eyes. This is also a 15 ml product. And the full size is 175 ml worth of 695. So like I was saying, the lemon face wash is basically made with the lemon peel extract and all that, and we all know that lemon is like really good item or ingredient that, you know, cleans up the face and brightens it and lightens it. So yeah, I really like the face wash, and it's really good and very light, and it did clean up the face really well, and it's even capable of taking off the makeup. So yeah, I really like the face wash. Okay, the next item that I received is the Mango Mandarin Body Mist from the range Star Eyes. This is also 10 ml spray. The full size is 100 ml worth rupees 525. So this, oh my god, I just love this. I just love this one because the fragrance is just amazing and it's just so good. So, and it lasts for like 3 to 4 hours straight. So it's a good product to have with you. You can carry it around. It's summer, so you need it. So yeah, this is what you need. This is the thing. Last but not least, my most favorite item from all these products that I received is this Mango Sun Protecting Lip Balm. The full size is worth rupees 295 of 5 ml, and I don't know how much this is because it's not mentioned over here, but this is my most favorite product because it smells heavenly. It reminds you of those mangoes that you enjoy during summer, and this is summer and the mango is gonna come in few months, in a few days hopefully. Mangoes in their market, but the like we say, wrapping in the tree, that mango has not come into the market yet. So I'm waiting for the mangoes to arrive. I love mango by the way. And this fragrance is exactly like those mango. Oh my god, I just love mangoes, and this reminds me of those ripened mangoes that you enjoy during summer. So this is the best, the most favorite product that I love in my Beauty Wish box April 2016. So let's just have a quick review of what I received. Oh, this bag is just amazing. It has got this sunflower over here, and this pouch is a multi-utility pouch, and I think it's made of natural material, so it's like really good. So yeah, I just love the pouch a lot. And the products that I received is this Mango Lip Balm. It's from the range Star Eyes, I guess. And then this Mango Mandarin Body Mist, the Limoncello Face Wash, the Sunflower Body Wash, the Passion Fruit Body Lotion, and the full size product, the sunscreen, which I couldn't get the chance to try it out. I'll give a detailed review of all these products on my blog. I'll mention the link to the blog in the description box down below. So this was the Beauty Wish box, and I love it. Now let's get to the part where is the happiness lies. So this is the gift hamper that I received from Nature's Company. This is my Be My Blogger of the Month award for March, and this is the hamper that I received. This hamper contains 4 items, and let's get to the pouch. Okay, this pouch is amazing. This is a really nice potpourri that you can carry around with you, and you can actually take this to the parties because this is just amazing. The color, it's so pretty, and it has got this iridescent kind of color where you can see alternate golden and violet kind of shade. It's like really pretty, and it matches my nail polish. Wow, that's a really nice coincidence, I guess. Okay, so yeah, let's get to the products that I received. The first thing that I want to talk about is this note that was sent along with the hamper. This note is written in natural paper. I really love this note. It says, "Dearest Keka, congratulations for bagging our Be My Beauty Blogger of the Month March award. Sending you few natural goodies. Have a wonderful summer. Be beautiful naturally, Team TNC. P.S. Keep reviewing our products. We love to see your valuable feedback." And I love your products too, TNC. I just love your products. So the first product that I received in my hamper is this cherry face wash. To be honest, I did not get the chance to use it much. I had used it only once, and it feels good, and it smells heavenly of the cherries. I just love this product. And this is a full size of 695 rupees, and this is 175 ml product. So yeah, that is the first item that I received in my gift hamper. The next item that I received is my I think it's my second most favorite product. This apple guava hair shampoo, hair cleanser for dry hair. So this is amazing. The fragrance is just amazing. Even after the wash, the smell of the apple and guava lingers on your hair, and it makes the hair so soft that I'm in love with this product. I just love this product. I have decided that once I finish this product, I'm definitely getting another one. This is 250 ml worth rupees 725, and I feel it's worth the money. Because it's just that amazing. So that was my second item. The third item that I received was this cotton flower hair conditioner. I had already received this cotton flower hair conditioner in my, I think, February Beauty Wish box. So the one that I received in my hamper, I left it at my parents' house so that I can use it when I visit them. In my Beauty Wish box, that is February Beauty Wish box, this is 645 rupees worth for 250 ml. This is also a very good hair conditioner. You can use it on a daily basis because it's like really light and it's natural, so you don't have to worry about the chemicals and all that. It's like really good for the hair. I've been using it for quite some time. Like you can see that I have used it up a lot, quite a bit actually. So yeah, this is my like go-to conditioner now. I have been using it for a month, and this is how much I have used. Like you just need very little of it. It's like really good. Okay, last but not least, and my most favorite, I think this is the most favorite product that I received in my hamper, is this beauty. This is the Mandarin Sugar Body Scrub. It says that it's for oily skin, so when I received it, I was a bit skeptical that it's for oily skin. I have dry skin, will it suit my skin or not? And when I used it, I just instantly fell in love with this one because it's amazing. It did not strip away the moisture, instead it moisturized my skin, and I did not have to use any body lotion after I used it. So you can I hope you can guess how good this product is, and you can actually see the sugar in it, like you can feel the sugar in it. And when you open it, let me just try and show you the product. This is how the inside looks like. And it's kind of like jaggery, like molten jaggery. You can see it felt like applying jaggery on my skin, but it's amazing, and this is my most favorite product. I just love this product, and this is worth rupees 1,695. 1,695 rupees for 200 ml. This is like super expensive, but it's so worth it. I don't know if I'll be able to purchase another one, but this is like amazingly good. So maybe I'll get, when this gets over, I might get another one because this is like really good. So yeah, that's what I received in my hamper. This is worth rupees 1695. That's almost like 1,700. And the shampoo is worth rupees 725. The conditioner is worth rupees 645, and the face wash is worth rupees 695. So all in all, the total amount of my hamper is somewhere around 3,700. So yeah, that's the amount of the hamper that I received. But it's the products that's worth it. Like, I am in love with this hamper and this bottle. Of course, I love this pouch. I'm gonna carry it with me when I go to the party next time because this is so good. The product, the material is really good. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys. I know it's a long video. Please bear with me. I'm so sorry. But that's all I had to share with you. Thank you Team TNC for sending me this gift hamper because it's so much worth it, and I love using your products, and I love reviewing your products. I just love it so much. I don't have enough words to thank you. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys, and my giveaway is still on, guys. Please go participate and help me reach 500 subscribers, and I'll be adding a few more items to my giveaway, and I'll upload another updated video maybe by tomorrow, hopefully, with some more products in it, like the added products. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay natural, stay beautiful.